Yeah. From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game except I'm pulling more sluts, more butts, more bucks.
Hey, what is up you guys? I wanted to make a video on how to pull your console's information straight from a JRPC tool. Now for this, I'm using Metro Frameworks and I'm also using JRPC. So if you want to actually pull your info, you want to have a Metro text box or just a text box if you're using just a normal look of it or normal format of a tool. And I'm going to use a Metro label. So we're going to go ahead and change this Metro label to something like kernel. And the Metro text box we're going to drag over here. And we'll make it about that size and just copy this. And we're going to only do 3 things for this video. We're going to do kernel, console IP, and CPU key. So there we go. Copy that again and do 3 lines of it. Okay, so first off, what I do always to make it easier is I will change up what each is. So I'm going to call that one CPU and this one IP. Okay, sorry about that. And for the Metro text box, you want to make sure the text is all empty inside. So take out all of that. And what I usually do is I'll go down here to Metro text box 1 and I'll change it to text kernel. And for the CPU, I'll change it to text CPU. And for IP, I usually change it to text IP. As you can see, it's kind of obvious what I'm doing now. I'm changing the name of them to make them easier to work with. So what you want to do is you want to go to your connect, and if it connects, this is what we are going to end up doing. I've already got mine, so I'm just going to copy them from my other tool. And here we go. So we're going to just change text CPU to text CPU.text. And as you can see, we've got that right there. And you want to copy that. And the only reason why I'm just copying this is because I've already got it. It'd be a whole lot easier for you guys to just look at it. And how this works is you're doing text kernel.text and it is equaling what the XDev kit actually pulls. So it's getting the kernel version, getting the CPU key and the Xbox key. You can either type this out and just pause the video here or whatever you want to do. So we're going to go ahead and copy this on form load as well. So we're going to go ahead and start the tool. Connected successfully. So the kernel is 175.11, the CPU is right there, and the IP. Now as you can see, this was a little too short, so we're going to drag it to about there. And take this one, drag it. And we're going to change up this right here as well. That way it just looks a little bit better. And for, let's see, theme, we're going to do dark. Let me see what the text box would look like on dark theme. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. So we're going to change everything to dark. And I showed you how to do that in my first video. Not in the first RGH tutorial, but my first Metro theme video on how to change the theme of your different things. So as you can see, everything's dark now. And now we've pulled our kernel, CPU, and IP. Now if you want to do something like your CPU temp, what you would do is do like text CPU temp or whatever it is that you're using, and then dot text, and then equal, and go over. And for that, you want to do, oh, sorry, I went over too much. Plus, and then jtag dot get temperature, and use jrpc dot temperature type, and then do dot CPU or RAM or GPU or your motherboard, and that's all you'd have to do if you wanted to do anything like that. So we're also going to make one more button just so we've got it to where we can refresh all this, and we're going to take that and we are just going to make this a very slim button, and we are going to name this refresh connection. So we can do that right there and copy all of that, and then sorry about that, I didn't mean to hit enter. You can do refreshed and then change your Xnotify to refreshed. And for down here, your connection was lost somehow. So there we go. We're going to go ahead and start this. As you can see, connected successfully, and it pulled all the information for the console. Refresh connection, so refreshed, and I did just get the Xnotify for it refreshing. And actually, let me show you that I've got that. So here's the tool right here, connected. As you can see right there, it shows connected, refresh connection. It's refreshed, and there we go. That's all you have to do. And yeah, if this video was helpful, don't forget to slap that like button and subscribe. If you do want any more videos like this, let me know. I will also be making a few different videos or video types like this, where I'm adding in Xmessagebox or Xnotify. And yeah, if you did like this, don't forget to let me know. Hope you guys have a great day and a great night. Peace.